In a knee replacement, even a small chance of infection can lead to a disaster for the patient. So infection has to be controlled, and a lot of effort goes in preventing the infection after good surgery. These are space suits we use for joint replacement surgeries. There are other instances, we don't know who these are, but this is also a knee replacement, but it is not a proper way to do a knee replacement surgery. There are high chances of getting infections. So, in my opinion, a class 100 operation theatre, joint space suits, joint only operation theatres where in those operation theatres where joint replacement is done, only joint replacement should be done because there are chances of cross infections from other surgeries. And it should be a very reasonable infection rate. In whole world, 0.5 to 1% infection rates are there, and at Shelby, we are proud to say that we have about 0.4 to 0.5. So that is very minimum. There are many reasons behind that, because surgery finishes in about 15 to 20 minutes. Longer the surgery, higher chances of infection. We all have these kind of operation theatres, space suits, and all kinds of things which we can use to prevent the infection. Another question which arises, is MS ortho sufficient or eligible for doing a joint replacement, knee replacement? Yes, a simple just passed out MS orthopedic is eligible. You cannot say anything, he is authorized by the government. But in my opinion, at least 3 years of proper training, because in MS ortho, we are not taught about knee replacements. I passed out from BJ Medical, which is a very renowned institute all over India. But I saw only one knee replacement. So it is all learned after you pass out of MS orthopedic. You need at least 3 years of training at a very high volume center, where we see all kinds of cases. So just doing few cases, just seeing few cases is not good. People do some fellowships, but usually the fellowships are observerships. Students just go and stand in a corner and the surgeons are performing. That is not an ideal way of learning. Any surgery, leave apart joint replacement. So these fellowships, which are of few months, 2-3 months, is not at all significant. Another question arises, sometimes people feel like expensive implants are better than the routine implants. Government of India has put a cap on the pricing of new implants, and you cannot sell it for more. So the companies, they keep coming up with new ideas to sell their implant in a more costlier way, but that does not lead to good quality. So there are 4-5 good companies, and all those implants like Johnson, Zimmer, Smith & Nephew, Stryker, they have all good implants, and the work of surgeon is important rather than selecting a particular kind of implants. So if a surgeon is doing a surgery good with one particular implant, don't force him for that I want this particular implant, because out of these 4 companies, results are same. It all depends upon the work of surgeon. There is no implant which is better, there is no implant which is inferior out of these 4-5 companies. Some people are advertising nowadays that subvastus approach makes the result of knee replacement good. They say it is without muscle cutting, it does not require physiotherapy. It does not happen like that. You do by any approach, there are 3 to 4 approaches, mid-vastus, medial parapatellar, subvastus. Initial few days there might be some less pain. Apart from that, the result of surgery is not improved by these approaches. The ultimate result of the patient, which a patient gets after 10 or 15 days, depends on the quality of surgery done. And in these, you can say fancy approaches, the surgery is compromised because you don't have proper exposure, you can't balance them in a proper way. So, approach as such is not important, your work, your surgery is important. There are many studies, many articles available on Google which show that there is no difference in the approach. Navigation robot. This is again a burning topic. There has been a lot of advertisements since last 3 years that robotic surgery, it is very good, knee replacements are being done by robots and results are excellent. Nothing like that has happened. Okay? These robots are not a new thing. This is the 5th generation of robots now. Earlier 4 were not up to mark. They have introduced the 5th one, and it is still not up to the mark because it does not contain artificial intelligence. A computer decides from the beginning and it cuts the bone. Now, out of the total work of knee replacement, 5% work is cutting the bones, and that is done by the robot. Remaining 95% is done still by the surgeon. So robot surgery, cutting bones by robot does not make it a good surgery. Moreover, you can see on the left side and right side, that is robotic surgery. There are extra cuts required for the robot, downside and upside, and there is no advantage because sometimes we need to, or maximum 9 out of 10 cases, we need to change the bone cuts also inside the knee when we are operating. We cannot fix it. After every step, we need to change certain things. So when the computer decides and cuts the bone similar way in all cases, then we tend to compromise on the result. So there is no advantage. Apart from that, there are so many disadvantages, like there is added costs, there are increase in surgical time, there is these pinholes we need to make to put the instruments. So there are chances that these holes, they weaken the bone, and there can be chances of fracture. So chances of infection, compromise in the results, surgeries are there, and added costs are there. So one very beautiful article was published in the Guardian. You can have the link here. Australian registry, Australian Medical Council has categorically denied Orthopedic Association guidelines, specially advise surgeons not to claim the clinical outcome of robotic surgeries are superior to the standard procedure. The medical board has categorically denied the surgeons don't advertise that robotic surgery has better results. So this has been published in the Guardian. So new implants, again, some companies come to us that this is a new implant, it will last for 35 years. They make such claims based on the laboratory studies. Laboratory studies does not mean that the implant is going to perform the same way inside the human body. That's a completely different thing. So don't go by those claims. Already trusted implants are there. Always go for that. Don't fall prey to those advertisements. Is fast surgery better? Yes, but it should be precise. If a surgeon is able to finish surgery in about 20 to 40 minutes, I would say, I don't say it should be 20 minutes or 15 minutes, but it is, if it finishes the surgery in 20 to 40 minutes in a perfect way, then it's good. Unnecessarily taking 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, that is not right, because more the chance duration of surgery, more a surgical infection complication. So another myth people have is it will last for 5 to 10 years, the implant knee replacement. But we have lots and lots of records with us that people, knee replacement we have done at Shelby are lasting 20 years, 25 years. We have photographic proofs of all the surgeries. You can see all the implants are different. It does not mean that one implant is better than the other. The surgeon's work is important. So you can walk properly. The videos are not playing, so I won't be able to. Okay, fine. So your चाल बदल जाती है, એવું ना થાય. You can walk normally like normal people. Your gait improves. It does not become bad. So you can climb stairs. पराठे लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. आप पलाथी लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. लोगों को ये डाउट रहता है कि हम पलाथी नहीं लगानी चाहिए, नी जॉइंट खराब हो जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. पलाथी लगा के बैठने में हमारा हिप रोटेशन होता है, नी का कोई एक्स्ट्रा मूवमेंट नहीं होता है. तो अगर आप पैर मोड़ते हैं या पलाथी लगाते हैं, उससे नी पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ता है. कुछ डॉक्टर्स एडवर्टाइज करते हैं कि मैं सर्जरी करता हूँ तो पलाथी लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. जो पेशेंट ऑपरेशन से पहले पलाथी लगा के बैठता है, वो ऑपरेशन के बाद पलाथी लगा के बैठ सकता है. बिकॉज पलाथी लगा के बैठने में आपके हिप जॉइंट या आईटी बैंड, बहुत सारे अदर मसल्स काम करते हैं, जिसका नी रिप्लेसमेंट में हम कुछ करते ही नहीं. सो अगर कोई क्लेम करता है कि उसके पेशेंट पलाथी लगा के बैठते हैं, तो वो कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग है. बिकॉज नी रिप्लेसमेंट में पलाथी लगाना, जिसकी पहले लगती है उसकी बाद में लगेगी, जिसकी पहले नहीं लगती उसकी बाद में नहीं लगेगी. सो इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर. आप जमीन पे बैठ सकते हैं. आप यू कैन सिट ऑन फ्लोर. बहुत ज़्यादा जिनका वजन होता है उन लोगों को हम एडवाइस करते हैं कि ना रखें, क्योंकि उनको उठने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. बट यू कैन सिट ऑन द फ्लोर. पलाथी लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. बाइक चला सकते हैं, you can drive a two-wheeler within 3 to 4 days of surgery also. This patient, we did bilateral, he came for suture removal without asking me whether he can drive or not. He came on a bike for the suture removal within 15 days. 4-wheel, you can drive within 8 to 10 days. This is one patient, both the knees replacement was done, and within 10 days he went out to his shop driving his own 4-wheel. And knee replacement is equally successful in patients who are obese. The result of surgery does not depend on the obesity. Lean and thin patients and heavy patients all have same results. Surgery should be good. The video is not playing, so we leave it. You can sit cross-legged within 2 to 3 days in hospital also. And गरबा तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है गुजराती लोगों માટે तो age is also not a very important factor. Up to 85-89 years we have done successful knee replacements, so that is not an issue. So this is one lady, both the knee replacements were done. And you can see if the video is playing. So गरबा कर सकते हैं within a month or so. You can do गरबा, डांस कर सकते हैं. नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं, खेती बाड़ी कर सकते हैं. Videos are not playing, so there is a problem. This is within a 1 month. Both the knee replacements were done.
Sir, your time is over.
योगा कर सकते हैं. And last one. नी रिप्लेसमेंट कुछ लोगों की लाइफ ड्रास्टिकली मैजिक की तरह चेंज कर देता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द डॉक्टर. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द लास्ट वीडियो. आई विल फिनिश इट फास्ट. दिस इज वन ऑफ माय, आई एम प्राउड डॉक्टर ऑफ दिस पेशेंट. Even आप घोड़ा भी दौड़ा सकते हैं after bilateral knee replacement. So these are all maximum cases of total knee replacement. So have you noticed, is there any limitation? Is there anything that patient cannot do? They can do anything. Next please. Yes, this is the last one and very satisfying video. This is one lady suffering from rheumatoid arthritis and very severely bad knees, not able to even walk for few steps. Very bad life, and you can see the transformation. Even some of you might say that this is some other patient, this is not the same patient. This is the same patient. She looks way younger, way healthier than she was with the. You can see the, and she is a teacher. She is practicing teacher right now, like 50 years. She was not able to go to the school also. Now she is running with the scale behind the students. So, results in the replacement are very good, half or total. The result depends on a good surgeon, a good hospital, and a good implant. If these three things are there, the results are going to be fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Any queries from audience?
Yes. Even after all this, there are a few patients who complain of pain after TKR. What is the reason?
There are many reasons.
They are not happy about it.